Hey everyone, we're here at a customer in the north side of Milwaukee. We are actually doing a maintenance job here. A previous installation of all their surveillance cameras was kind of just done pretty badly, just camera right straight into the wall, no junction boxes, no nothing. A lot of the cameras are actually getting hit by the elements, kind of going bad. We are replacing 2 of them, and then we're cleaning up all the outdoor cameras. We're putting in some nice junction boxes, making sure they're safe from the elements, and yeah, cleaning everything up so that everything is nice and neat and this customer doesn't have to keep replacing his surveillance cameras. The issue with kind of just putting a camera straight into the wall, especially a PoE camera, and just leaving it exposed to the elements is exactly what happened to this customer, where in this particular camera, the termination point to where the camera hooks up just got completely eroded, corroded, and eventually just went bad. So you really want to make sure you protect these cameras from the elements, and you do that by putting a proper junction box, sealing it, making sure nothing is getting in, snow in our case, rain, things like that. So that's what we're gonna do with these here, and hopefully, like I said, none of these issues will come up again. Apparently the customer has been replacing some of these cameras almost every year because of this issue, so this should be a nice fix for them. These cameras aren't cheap. These are, Lorix cameras, 4K. These are actually the varifocal lines, like they call. They have night vision, they have an optical zoom in and out, so you could get farther away than what the camera's natural ability is. It has about a 4 optical zoom. So yeah, these aren't cheap to replace, especially every year. Most vendors will have a camera and then a junction box that will work with their cameras. They do sell universal ones, but if you get the chance, it's nice to get the junction box that goes with your camera so everything lines up easy. You're not stuck trying to figure out, turning and looking for the holes to line up or anything like that. And that's what we're doing here. Because this is a rough treated wall, just wanted to drill some pilot holes here, and we're gonna come back and get these holes a little thicker and then just mount the junction box right on it. So I'm using a standard hammer drill for this one. A lot of my surveillance install buddies and techs out there probably questioning why I'm not using an SDS drill. Well, it's simple, it's because my coworkers got it right now. SDS drill will make this a lot easier. It's taking me about almost a minute to drill each hole with an SDS drill. Probably do all 4 of them in under a minute. Just keep that in mind. If you ever need to do this, get yourself a SDS drill and you'll thank me.